This country women. Women wey dey this country they get problem. Oh. If to say I no buy the house where my first wife dey now, so now so this woman go throw me out. I will go dey roaming about the whole street of London. In Africa, they don't fit do this kind of thing. On a good day in Nigeria, which woman go fit try this kind of thing with me?
How many girlfriends do you have? 3, 4, 5, 8, 7.
If to say I no buy the house where my first wife dey, so now so I go there outside. God forbid. God forbid. It's even better now. I will go my house.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong.
Young, it's me, oh, your sugar. Buckingham Daddy. Your sugar, okay, your sugar. Open door for me, young. What are you saying? I should go back to where I'm coming from. Do you realize I'm the one that buy this? I bought this house with my money.
That's a long time ago.
You are putting yes. You realize I bought this house with my money, Yaoyi. Open door now. Yeah. Oh no. So the house where I buy with my money, I don't go be enter now. Wait, this woman open door for me now. Open door. Open this door for me. Which kind of problem is this now? Where the house where I bought with my money. You say you don't go open this door. You don't go open this door, Adi. I won't break the door. No, now your money I take by the house. Say now your money I take by the house. Will you please open this door for me? You go call police for who? You go call police for me for my house where I bought with my money. What do they worry you this country women with this kind of behavior?
Buckingham Daddy.
Oyinda. See you. You see what your mama they do to me? I've been knocking this door since your mommy refused to open door for me. Mama Oyinda, open this door. Open this door. You see what your mommy they do to me?
Well, that is not my problem. You've left us since and now you're coming now?
So, is that what you will say? It's not your problem, Oyinda. See, I've been knocking this door since your mommy refused to open door for me. Is that right?
It's not my problem.
It's not your problem. That your mommy didn't open door for me. Even you, my daughter. See. See, I bought you your favorite bread. Eh? And she refused to open door for me. Oh, you have the key. Oh yeah, open the door. How will I not enter the house where I take my money back? Oh yeah, open door for me, Charlie. Open door for me. Open that door. Yay! Mama Yida! Mama Yida! Hey!
Ayé ń ṣe ọ́.
Ìṣòro ọmọ mo wá rèé nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí o. Mo jìyà lójú wí mú bá. Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
First one chased me out. The one that I bought house for with my money refused to open door for me. Ah, ìsímọ̀ pa wá mú nílùú ìbáyọ̀ Ọlọ́run o. Hey. Ayé ọkùnrin lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin òyìnbó pẹ̀lú agbára burúkú tí ẹ gbélé àwọn obìnrin wọ̀nyí lọ́wọ́. Eh? You these people, the power this government give these women in this country is too much, yo. It's too much, yo. It's too much, yo. Who go fit try this with me back home? House where I buy with my money. Hey, Allah. Where will I go now?